Hi, I am Deepak Puranik. Let me guide you through AstroPure unit. The unit comes fully assembled and ensure floor is dust free before placing the unit. The unit can be moved easily with the help of caster wheels. Press it down to lock the wheels and press it up to unlock. The control panel comes with on-off switch, UV indicator and fan speed adjustment with the rating from 0 to 10, and the nominal speed is 6, so it's advisable to run the unit at speed 6. The unit comes with 2 pressure gauges, one for pre-filter, one for HEPA filter. So these pressure gauges indicate differential pressure across pre-filter and HEPA filter. So there will be indication and alarm when filters reach their final pressure drop. There is an MCB junction box for power supply, and please use the suitable cable to power the unit. The unit has easy access door with lockable arrangement. So unscrew the panel blocks, to open the door, pull it with the handle. The unit comes with pre-filter, UV light, HEPA filter and fan section. To remove the filter, pre-filter, hold the frame, pull it out. To install the filter, check the orientation of the filter and make sure the black carbon media is at the bottom and the white filter media is at the top. Hold the filter with the frame and insert it through the channel. To remove HEPA filter, hold the frame, then pull it out. To install HEPA filter, hold it through frame. Before that, check for the orientation. Hold it through frame and insert through the channel. Before powering the unit, check for the phase connection, single phase or 3-phase. Use the suitable cable and plug it for power supply. Plug in the power supply, switch on the button and switch on the MCB. Turn the knob to on position, which indicates the unit is on. You can also see the UV lamp turning on, which stays on for 10 minutes and then it will be switched off. The UV lamp will turn on for 10 minutes for every 1 hour. Then increase the fan speed from 0 to 6 slowly and enjoy the pure air.